Continue exercise 13b, question number 27. Here we have a rain water from the roof of length 44 meter, breadth 20 meter. Then there will be some height which we still don't know. Then from that roof, the water flow into cylindrical tank whose diameter is 4 meter and height 3.5. If the tank is just full, we have to find the rainfall in centimeter. So here we see that the water it is in the roof. So the roof is mainly in the form of cuboid. Then that water it is empty into cylindrical tank. So from there we see that it is the same water which flowed from the cuboid into the cylindrical. So that means the volume of the water in the cuboid will be equal to the volume of the water in the cylinder. So let us try to replace it in order to get the height of the roof first. Because we got the length, we get the breadth, we still don't know the height. Then here we have the diameter is 4 meter, but it will be equal, radius will be 2 meter. Then the height we have 3.5 meter. Then they already say the water in the tank is just full. So that means whatever volume of water we have in the cylindrical tank, it is the one which come from the roof only. So let us see it. So clearly the rainwater from the roof, it's fall into cylindrical tank. So that means volume of water in the roof will be equal to volume of water in the tank. So formula for volume of the water in the tank, it is cylindrical tank. So it will be pi r square h. Then the volume of the roof will be length into breadth into height. So pi we know 22 by 7, r we know 2 into 2, h we know 3.5. L we know 44, B we know 20, H we still have to find. So here 7 we can divide 35, 0.5. So if we multiply all this, then here we have to find H. This 2 we divide down. Okay. So those. So if we can cancel 2 into 10, then 10 there. Finally we are left with 1 by 20, which is equal to 0.05 meter. So the height of the rainfall on the roof, it is equal to 0.05 meter. Then next we move on to the last question, that is number 8. Here we have the rainwater from the roof again. It is in the form of length 22 m, breadth 20 m, which means that it is the shape of cuboid again. Then the height we still have to find. Then what happened? That rainwater, it is poured into cylindrical vessels whose diameter is 2 meter. So radius will be 1. Then height is 3.5. The rainwater collect from the roof fill 4.5 times that of cylindrical vessel. So we have to find the rainfall in centimeter. That means we have to find the height of the roof, because the water fall on the roof. So here again we see, remember the rainwater is on the roof, it is poured into cylinder. So that means we can say the volume of water in the roof equal to 4 by 5 times the volume of water in the cylinder. So using that fact, we can find out the value. So we can write the volume of water in the roof, which is in the form of cuboid, equal to 4 by 5 volume of the cylinder according to question. Volume of water in the roof in the form of cuboid, we can write length into breadth into height. Then we have 4 by 5 volume of cylinder pi r square h. So length we know 22, breadth we know 20, height we still have to find. Then here r we know 1 into 1, height 3.5. So 7 we divide here will be 0.5. Then 5 divide will be 0.1. So if we multiply to all, we want h. So these two which are up, we can cross multiply down. So 22 cancel with 22, then 4 into 5, so 0.5. To remove this decimal, we can put 50. So now it is in meter, we have to convert to centimeter. So we know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So we convert it, then we divide, that means the height of the rainfall in the roof in centimeter, it is equal to 2 centimeter. So we get what the question want.